Looking to upgrade your wired internet speed without breaking the bank? The 2.5G PCIe Ethernet network adapter offers a simple, cost-effective way to boost your connection up to 2.5 gigabits per second using your existing Cat5e cables. Imagine faster downloads, smoother streaming, and reduced lag, all without swapping out your entire network setup. Installing this adapter is straightforward if you have an available PCIe slot in your desktop. It converts that slot into a high-speed 2.5G Ethernet port, supporting 3 speeds, 2.5 gigabits per second, 1 gigabit per second, and 100 megabits per second. What's great is that it works seamlessly with Windows and Windows Server systems, and for Windows 11 users, no driver installation is even required. Plus, the included standard and low-profile brackets make it compatible with most PC cases. Performance-wise, it supports jumbo frames up to 9 kilobytes, allowing larger packets to be sent efficiently, which means less overhead and better throughput during heavy data transfers. It's also compliant with IEEE 802.3 AB and 802.3 BZ standards, ensuring reliability and broad compatibility with network equipment. Keep in mind, to fully benefit from 2.5G speeds, your modem, router, and switch need to support 2.5G Ethernet as well. The quality of your Ethernet cable matters too. Standard Cat5e cables can handle this speed up to 100 meters, making upgrades easier without rewiring your entire home or office. If you're comfortable installing a PCIe device and want a straightforward way to unlock faster wired internet, this adapter is a solid choice. It's affordable, effective, and praised by users for delivering exactly what it promises without fuss or complicated setups. Worth a look if you want to future-proof your network without overspending. Ready to experience faster, more reliable internet on your PC? Try the 2.5G PCIe Ethernet network adapter when you're ready to upgrade your connection and cut down on buffering and lag. It's a practical step forward for anyone serious about better network performance.